Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. This is video number 4 of the TRIAD Power Journey. I'm calling this lesson, Reaching the Peak. So today we'll be learning the chord progressions of G major, D, E minor, and C at the 12th fret, or at the double dots. So it'll be an octave above where we first started in learning the open chords. So it'll really cut through the mix, very bright chord notes. So let's dive in, grab your guitar, and let's learn these chords. And then we'll play and practice using a backing track. Okay, these chords will be easy to learn because you've already played the shapes in the other positions. So you'll have like the A shape, the D shape, F shape. So to play G major on the 12th fret, you'll be pressing down on strings 2, 3, and 4 of the 12th fret. So the size of the frets do get smaller as you move up the neck. So I typically play the A shape, barring my second finger or sometimes the first finger. So you can play this chord whatever you're comfortable with. So place your finger on strings 2, 3, and 4 of the 12th fret. Strum each string separately. That is the G major. Okay. To play E minor, you just simply move your fingers down one string. So then you'll be pressing strings 1, 2, and 3 and playing through those strings. That'll be E minor. So G is strings 2, 3, 4. E minor, one string down each. Okay, so that's 2 chords out of the way. Then to play D major, it's kind of like the D shape, but you'll place fingers 1 and 2 on strings 1 and 2 at the 10th fret, and then place your third finger on the 11th fret at string number 2. Then place your third finger on string number 3 of the 11th fret. Strum strings 1, 2, and 3. This is D major. Okay, we already know the E minor. And then the last chord, which will be C major, you just play the D shape like you would on the open chord. Playing D, you just come up to the 12th fret. So fingers 1 and 2 will be on the 12th fret. Finger number 3 will be on the second string of the 13th fret. And then strum strings 1, 2, and 3. That'll be C major, okay? So let's look at these chord progressions one more time. G major, D major, E minor, C major. Okay, let's pivot to the backing track. We'll play through these chord progressions. We'll pick through each individual note, and then about midway through the backing track, we'll just strum the triads together. So pick up your guitar, let's play through these triads. Hey guys, do me a favor. If you enjoyed this video, be sure and hit the thumbs up button. I would appreciate it very much. If you're not a current subscriber, subscribe to my channel. So how did you do? I'm sure you did a good job. I guess you learned that these triads were very easy because you were already familiar with those shapes, playing the A major chord and the D major chord on the open chords. It's just a matter of shifting it up to the 12th fret. It really cuts through the mix when you're playing with other instruments. So practice these chords this week. Practice positions 1, 2, 3, and 4 through the previous videos. Go back and practice those. And then in 2 or 3 days, we're going to come back with the last video, video number 5. So what I'm calling the master class. We're going to be putting all these various chord positions together in one backing track. So keep on practicing, and I'll see you at video number 5. Have a great day. God bless you.